Welcome everyone. Join us on a fun journey to learn English through stories. In this video, you'll listen to the story Cooking for Dad. It is filled with useful words and expressions that are commonly used in everyday English conversations. This is an excellent opportunity for you to practice and enhance your English listening and speaking skills. This video consists of 4 parts. We'll start by introducing and explaining some interesting and useful words that appear in today's story. The storytelling session comes next. Following that, take a short quiz to test your understanding of the story. Finally, we'll conclude with a speaking practice. First, let's learn some interesting and useful words that are in the story. Spaghetti bolognese refers to a dish of spaghetti with a tomato and meat sauce. Example: spaghetti bolognese is a classic dish that is loved for its flavorful meat sauce. An aisle refers to a long, narrow space between rows of shelves in a shop. Example: you can find the canned food in the 4th aisle from the entrance. A shopping trolley is a large basket on wheels that you push around a shop, putting the things that you want to buy in it. Example: she put the snacks in the shopping trolley. Mince is the meat, usually beef, that has been cut into very small pieces in a special machine. Example: add the mince and fry until browned. A checkout is the place where you pay for the things that you are buying in a supermarket. Example: there were long queues at the checkouts. When the word dice is used as a verb, it means to cut food into small squares. Example: she diced the carrots and fried them in a pan. Fragrant refers to having a pleasant smell. Example: fry the garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. Simmer means to cook something by keeping it almost at boiling point. Example: simmer the soup gently for about 30 minutes. If the food is al dente, it is not too soft and is still firm after it has been cooked. Example: cook the spaghetti in boiling water for about 4 minutes until it is al dente. If somebody's eyes or face light up, they show happiness or excitement. Example: her face lit up with pleasure. Now, sit back and listen to the story.
Last Saturday, Riley woke up earlier than usual, brimming with excitement about the celebration of Father's Day. She wanted to make it a special day for her dad, so she decided to cook his favourite dish, spaghetti bolognese. Riley had a list of ingredients she needed, so she grabbed her purse and headed to the supermarket. In the supermarket, Riley walked around the aisles and carefully picked the items on the shopping list. She placed the food in the shopping trolley: a box of spaghetti, a pack of mince, a bottle of tomato sauce, a can of tomato paste, some tomatoes, onions and garlic. After paying for her groceries at the checkout, she rushed home and started preparing the dish. She began by making the sauce. First, she diced the tomatoes, onions and garlic. Next, she fried the onions and garlic gently in oil until fragrant. Then she added the mince and cooked it until browned. After that, She poured the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce and tomato paste into the pan, letting the sauce simmer gently on the stove. While the sauce was cooking, Riley prepared a pot of salted, boiling water for the spaghetti. It was cooked until al dente. She put the spaghetti on a plate and poured the sauce over it. The dish looked perfect. She could not wait to see her dad's reaction. After setting the table and getting everything ready, Riley's father got home just in time. "Happy Father's Day," Riley said to her dad with a broad smile. Her dad's face lit up with excitement when he saw the dish. He sat down and enjoyed every bite. "Thank you, sweetheart. The dish tastes fantastic," said her dad gratefully. Riley felt proud and happy to see her dad enjoying the gift she had prepared for him.
Now it's time to test your understanding of the story. There are 4 questions in total. Answer the questions. Question 1. Riley cooked a meal for her dad to celebrate his birthday. Question 2. Riley jotted down all the items she needed to buy before going shopping. Question 3. Riley and her dad prepared the dish together. Question 4. Riley's dad was delighted by the dish his daughter prepared for him. Here comes the speaking practice. Read the lines on the screen out loud.
Last Saturday, Riley woke up earlier than usual. Brimming with excitement about the celebration of Father's Day. She wanted to make it a special day for her dad. So she decided to cook his favourite dish, spaghetti bolognese. Riley had a list of ingredients she needed. So she grabbed her purse and headed to the supermarket. In the supermarket, Riley walked around the aisles. And carefully picked the items on the shopping list. She placed the food in the shopping trolley. A box of spaghetti, a pack of mince, a bottle of tomato sauce, a can of tomato paste, some tomatoes, onions and garlic. After paying for her groceries at the checkout, she rushed home and started preparing the dish. She began by making the sauce. First, she diced the tomatoes, onions and garlic. Next, she fried the onions and garlic gently in oil until fragrant. Then she added the mince and cooked it until browned. After that, she poured the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce and tomato paste into the pan. Letting the sauce simmer gently on the stove. While the sauce was cooking, Riley prepared a pot of salted, boiling water for the spaghetti. It was cooked until al dente. She put the spaghetti on a plate and poured the sauce over it. The dish looked perfect. She could not wait to see her dad's reaction. After setting the table and getting everything ready, Riley's father got home just in time. Happy Father's Day, Riley said to her dad with a broad smile. Her dad's face lit up with excitement when he saw the dish. He sat down and enjoyed every bite. "Thank you, sweetheart. The dish tastes fantastic," said her dad gratefully. Riley felt proud and happy to see her dad enjoying the gift she had prepared for him.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.